Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs vlog here. Today I'm here at Village Creamery homemade ice cream. Hey guys, so again, andito na yung order ko na ice cream. OB siya. Try natin. So this is $3.59 itong isang scoop ni Kuya na binigay. Ayan, try natin ha. So creamy. It's good. So itong OB guys, sabi ni Kuya, popular din tong OB na to dito sa kanila, syllable. Ayan. That's good. And again, itong ice cream na to, itong ice cream shop na to, sabi niya, way back 2000, 2001 daw, nag-open na to dito sa Chicago. And then it's a Filipino owned. So before they have 2 branches, ngayon isa na lang. So ito na lang yung branch nila dito sa Chicago. Yan. So kain muna ako ha. Okay, so sabi ni Kuya, yung bantay dito, it's mix of people daw na pumapasok dito sa ice cream nila. Mga puti, mga Pilipino. So, lahat na nationality pumapasok dito sa ice cream dahil nasa kilala na kasi ito dito sa Chicago. Ayan. So, may mga tao na rin dito ng iba-ibang lahi na pumapasok. Ayun, so far, yung OB ice cream is good. It's so creamy. Napakasarap siya. And then, hindi siya ganun katamis. Napakaganda siya. Napakasarap. And then, second thing, yung cone nila, hindi rin napakasarap ng lasa ng cone nila. Hindi siya ganun hindi lahat ganun katamis yung cone and ice cream. It's, for me eksakto, perfect talaga siya. Yung taste niya is so perfect for me. Ayan. So, I hope you can visit in this ice cream shop here in Chicago, and this is good ice cream and I can recommend to you. Thank you for watching NoyTebs vlog. Please like and subscribe my channel.